Today we had a group of students from all across Tamaki Makaurau from different schools, and the aim of today was to really equip and empower those students with skills to lead Minecraft integration in their classrooms. So these students are self-identified Minecraft experts, but it was about really giving them pedagogy tools in terms of collaborating effectively and being able to give feedback to other students and support them to use Minecraft effectively as well. So how we did that was we brought the schools together with a teacher. So we had 4 or 5 students from each school and their teacher, and they engaged in collaborative builds. We took them through personalising their settings for improved accessibility. And then we looked at doing collaborative build challenges and then reflecting and giving feedback to each other.
Hi, I'm Nick from Hunua School. Brought my kids along to Microsoft today to learn a lot more about Minecraft and how to teach it to their friends and other teachers as well, so that we can really boost the use of Minecraft. The kids love using it. But one thing that I'm hoping that they take back into the classroom is a little bit more confidence about showing people what to do. We've been learning how to do transportation or teleporting blocks as well. That's all been a bit over my head, so for them to show me that and how to work that out has been really, really neat.
We're super grateful for our sponsors that we've had today. So we had PB come on board, as well as Microsoft, who hosted us here at Microsoft House in Auckland, and we can't wait to do more events in collaboration with them.